Next to football is, to me, driving. Cars, I like cars, and that's why I joined Proton. I'm not the only one today. I've been working with Proton for more than 20 years. But maybe I have my own journey with Proton. So my journey started in Japan. Then when I came back, I was then sent also to UK. Also, it's very so-called special, unique experience that I had to go through. I was put in a whole stream of development from one department to another, and from styling, design, prototyping, and testing. To be there to learn, to walk through the whole development process, and to understand how the car been designed and developed. To me, Proton Saga is like close to everybody's heart, close to Malaysian public. I would say, if I can speak to Proton Saga, I would say to Proton Saga, I thank Allah for having Proton Saga in my life, because I started almost everything with Proton Saga. I remember with my brother to learn how to do this handbrake turn, reverse turn with Proton Saga also. No power steering. If you compare Proton Saga, original Proton Saga, and today's Proton Saga, third generation Proton Saga, definitely a huge difference. Because as previously the car is more mechanical, today the car is not just mechanical, more electronic, software, very clever car. It's value for money, it's very stable car. So there is definitely set a difference from other competitors.
Proton Saga, 35 years, driving Malaysians.